Here we are for the 5th and 6th game. We have the Hunter Hurricanes versing the Cronulla Sharks here in the u16's Boys State Team Festival. On the left of the screen we have the Cronulla Sharks in the blue hats and the Hunter Hurricanes in the white hats with the Hurricanes winning the swing. Foul up top there for the Hunter Hurricanes. Both teams won their previous match to get them to this playoff, but have lost a match in the round games. Ball goes into centre forward there. And a goal there for the Hunter Hurricanes. They start in the lead there. First attack, first goal. That was a nice pass into centre forward there. Centre back did not know where the ball was coming from. Ball goes into centre forward for the Cronulla Sharks. Minor foul awarded. New centre forward is driven in. And a foul out top, just off screen.
Yeah.
Hurricane still in the zone. Ball goes up back up top. Ball and a save there by the Hurricanes keeper. Two there to put in play. Ball goes in the centre forward. Minor foul awarded. Drive. And an exclusion there for the Cronulla Sharks. Ball moving around. Almost loses the ball there. A shot and a good goal. Nice cross-cage shot there by the Cronulla Sharks. Evens up the scores, 1-1. And a good little intercept there by the Cronulla Sharks. Hurricanes player didn't know that there was anyone on their way back. Oh, coach is a bit angry at something there. Can't see off screen. Ball goes out wide. A foul there. Ball goes into centre forward. Can't see anything. Turnover.
Oh, sorry, Andy.
Cronulla Sharks on the attack here. Ball back up top. Plays it down to the wing. Feed the ball into centre forward. And an exclusion there. The centre back was holding the Cronulla Sharks player. Couldn't let him get to the ball. So this is another chance for the Cronulla Sharks with the 6-on-5. And another cross-cage shot and goal. Hurricanes making a few tactical changes after that goal. Cronulla Sharks going with the tactic of if it ain't broke, don't fix it. And a drive here on this near side draws an exclusion. And he'll look for an early pass. Hurricanes drawing the defence out there, but not really utilising the space that was made. A lot of time and a good shot there. Nice little wrap shot there by the Hunter Hurricanes, even up to score. So with 2.5 minutes left in this game, this first quarter, Hurricanes on 2 goals, Cronulla Sharks on 2 goals. Ball gets fed in the centre forward, and a good steal there. Waits till the ball's in the centre forward's hands, and he takes the ball. Ball goes up that far side of the pool. Hurricanes with the ball. And a good shot, donut into the back of the goals there. Hurricanes in the lead. 3 goals to Cronulla Sharks 2. Cronulla Sharks were dropping there. Almost got the steal. Foul there for the Cronulla Sharks. There's a player 3 and they find him on this far side. And the shot, it just hits the post. Not sure if the goalkeeper touched that one, but still. Hurricanes with the ball now. The Cronulla Sharks player had a lot of time there. Could have blocked the ball a little bit more. Could have looked a little bit more dangerous. Should have drawn the defence out a little bit faster. Hurricanes on the ball. Nothing happening at centre forward to the back. Hurricanes being patient with the feed. Not the best pass. Cronulla Sharks with the steal. Nice drive there for Cronulla Sharks. Ball goes straight to the Hurricanes. Not long left in this first quarter. And a quick early shot, and it's a great top corner goal by the Hunter Hurricanes. They're on 4 goals for Cronulla Sharks too. That's 4 unanswered goals. And that is the end of the first quarter. Hurricanes on 4 goals, Cronulla Sharks Blue on 2 goals. Here we are back for the second quarter of this match. Hurricanes with the 2-goal advantage going into this quarter, and they win the swim. So with the first possession of this quarter, let's see what the Hurricanes can do. They throw the ball down to the far side wing. A little bit blurry here. And there's a turnover for not playing the ball, it seems. Anyways, Cronulla get the ball back. And they get another foul there. Ball goes up top. Not the best pass. Still retains possession though. Ball goes in at centre forward. And it's gone straight over the top of him there. That is an exclusion. If the centre back had have moved around the centre forward, then it would have been a good steal. But because he's gone over the top of the player, he has been excluded. Let's see what Cronulla Sharks are doing. They were in a 3-3 formation until that drive moved into a 4-2. Great over-the-head shot there. He slid to his left and he shot it down the line. That was a great goal. So the deficit now is back to 1 goal as the Cronulla Sharks get a steal just because the player had his head down and he moved the ball towards where the other player was. Now they've got a counter-attack. And that's a 5-metre, very ordinary play by that Hurricanes player. Not only did he give up the ball, but he also gave away a 5-metre. So very quickly here, Hurricanes lead could be squashed. Cronulla could be right back in this game, with this chance to go 4 goals apiece. And they are. Great shot, great goal there by the Cronulla Sharks. As I said, 4 goals apiece there. Look how we have a drive on this near side. Ball goes to the post. He sits up, and it's a great shot down the line. That looked like it was a set play there for the Hurricanes. Great goal. Hurricanes take the lead again. Hurricane playing a nice drop here. And a deflection goal there by the Hurricanes blocker. Accidentally touches the ball into the back of the net. Can't do much about that one. 5 goals apiece. And a turnover there. Not quite sure what for. Cronulla Sharks on the transition here. Down that far side, takes the foul. Ball gets played out to the top.
Coming.
Heavy foul there. And a shot. Ooh, very firm shot. Hit the post. Rebounding back a good 5 metres. That shot came with a lot of pace. Now we've got a break on this far right side. And we have an exclusion somewhere. An exclusion behind the ball. Not sure if that's a great call by the referees. They gave any advantage that the Hurricanes had and threw it away. Not a great shot there by the Hurricanes, but a good stick. Not a good steal there. The referee not in favour of the Hurricanes today. But on the attack now, Cronulla Sharks. They utilise this good call for them. Just trying to play that zone, trying to find the shot. And a good two-hand save there for the Hurricanes keeper. Nice and strong. Cronulla Sharks got some good shooters in their team. Foul there for the Hurricanes on that far side. Not a lot happening at centre forward, centre back.
Come on, drive.
Centre back has got good two hands on the centre forward there. Centre forward not really holding any position. As the shot clock winds down, the ball gets dumped on that far side. Hurricanes running out of time in attack. Cronulla feed the ball in the centre, and a push off, and it's a goal. Not a lot the centre back could do on that one. Just to be a little bit stronger and not let the ball come in the first place. But great shot there by the Cronulla Sharks player. Heavy foul, two hands down. And not the most aware pass there for the Hurricanes. Not long left.
Go, boss. Right.
And they've caught an exclusion there right on the brink of half-time. That'll be disappointing for the Hurricanes. They had a good 2-goal lead in that going into that quarter. They end this quarter 1 goal down. Hurricanes 5 goals, Cronulla Sharks 6 goals. Third quarter here, and Hurricanes win this one quite convincingly there. So they get the first opportunity. It's a really important swim for the Hurricanes to win because they had a player out due to the late exclusion at the end of the second quarter. Hurricanes with a drive on this side. And a turnover there. And a good steal there by the Hunter Hurricanes. He anticipated the pass. Let's see what he can do here, one-on-one. Oh, off the post. Unlucky there. Devastating. And there's a counter-attack, and that's a 2-goal turnaround. Hurricanes not with a very good defense there, but Cronulla, they executed and they took advantage of the lazy defense there by the Hurricanes. So 2-goal turnaround. Hurricanes had a very easy chance to score up one end. The opposition Cronulla Sharks, they turned around and went, no, you know what? If you miss this, we're going to score. So unlucky there. Centre forward gets the ball stolen off him from up top. Ball goes in here to centre forward. And centre back stops. So easy goal there for the Cronulla Sharks. Can balk 20 times. Cronulla Sharks out to a 3-goal lead there. A late pass. Turnover there, so Cronulla get the ball. There's another counter-attack. And a very heavy foul there leads to the 5 metre. A very frustrated player there.
No, you're right.
Understandable. So Cronulla Sharks have a 5 metre attempt. This is another 2-goal turnaround. Oh, unlucky there. Just wide of the cage for the Cronulla Sharks player. Hurricanes coach seemed to be quite frustrated on the side of the pool there. Turn. And a steal.
Yeah, Bryn.
No, it's an exclusion. I was going to say, when was the referee going to blow his whistle? Hurricanes, I think this is maybe their first or second chance at a 6-on-5. They take it in, just inside the 2 metres, balk it around the top. Draw the defence, and a shot down the line. Great goal. It was really important that the Hurricanes player out top, he engaged the defence so he could pass the ball to the player on the wing to get an easy goal. Hurricanes clawing back, but Cronulla Sharks still in the lead, 8-6. Ball goes down the wing. And a cross pass there into the centre forward. Joe Kay style goal there. Cronulla Sharks 9, Hunter Hurricanes 6. And the ball goes in there for the Hunter Hurricanes. A turn, still puts his head underwater. And it's a great save there by the Cronulla Sharks. Very frustrating there for the Hunter Hurricanes play. Goes up and gives the goal a push. Cronulla Sharks with the ball on his far right-hand side. Foul there. And a turnover, well not a turnover, missed shot there. Hurricanes get the ball. Tensions are starting to flare a little bit. Bit of feeling in this one. Ball goes into centre forward. Oh, and I don't know about that one. I don't think the player knew where that one was. So they're pulling the ball out. Don't know if you saw that, but the coach was all the way up to halfway. He's not happy. Extra man called there, rightfully so. Hurricanes player was getting drowned. The Cronulla player did not know where the ball was. Not a very good pass there. Draws the defence out. And another shot down the line. Hunter Hurricanes with another goal back. Deficit back to 2. Cronulla Sharks blue 9, Hunter Hurricanes 7. Hunter Hurricanes maintaining this deep zone. They still look to feed the ball. Oh, and that's out. Don't know why that's out for a 2 metre. Actually, maybe in reflection it did hit him. I thought it completely missed the goals, came back and reflected in the head. But anyways, Hurricanes still in a deep zone. And there's a turnover for its centre back. They put a hold. Lovely how that's called now. I think one of the goals beforehand was an easy exclusion or easy turnover. End of the third quarter though. Hunter Hurricanes, they missed their shot. Cronulla Sharks in the lead, 9 goals to Hunter Hurricanes 7. Final quarter. Hurricanes, they win the swim. And that is a poor pass there for the Hurricanes. He passed it straight to the Cronulla Sharks team. Cronulla just holding onto the ball out top. Plays it down to the wing. And the defender just stays too far back there, and the Cronulla Sharks get a good goal. Hunter Hurricanes really feeling this wing drop, but it hasn't worked for them on that occasion. Can't quite see where the ball is. The ball goes into centre forward. And there is a big two-hand down exclusion there. Big sinking exclusion. Hurricanes need to set up their extra man. And he shoots. Rebound. Ball to the post. And a rush shot. It misses the cage. Unlucky there for the Hurricanes. Really need to be taking their chances a little bit better if they have any chance of fighting a comeback here. And this isn't helping their chances. An exclusion on the far side of the pool. Cronulla Sharks with the 6-on-5. Plays the ball to the post. And I think that the battery cut out on that one and that was not a goal. So Hurricanes moving up now. Not a lot happening here. Foul there. Hurricanes lacking the vision to find the free player. And the ball is dumped. Disappointing there for the Hurricanes. There was an open player a few times and it just wasn't found. Cronulla Sharks on the attack now. Ball comes to this far side. And it's a shot that goes over the bar.
You should go the other side. Right here. Right here.
Ball goes into centre forward here. Regular foul. Ball jumps over the top. Oh, and a great save there by the Cronulla Sharks goalkeeper. Very well done. Unlucky there for the Hunter Hurricanes player. He just had to throw what the keeper wasn't, and he threw it straight at him, unfortunately. And an exclusion there, just a pullback on the player down there. So Cronulla Sharks with the 6-on-5 attack now. And the rebound. Hunter Hurricanes hold on to the ball and get the foul. Ball off screen at the moment. Most importantly, though, you can see how stressed the coach is. And no eventual goal. So Cronulla Sharks back on the ball with an exclusion. Again, I'm not really too sure what happened there, but he's not happy. I think that might be his third major, that's why he's so upset. And ball to the post, and it's a good goal there by the Cronulla Sharks. Hurricanes now 3 goals down. Ball goes into centre forward, and a good drop back steal. But an exclusion there for the player who dropped back. Let's see how Hurricanes can use this 6-on-5 attack. But they're still not out of it. They can still mount a comeback. Well, now they can't. There's a turnover. So Hurricanes 7 goals, Cronulla Sharks Blue 10 goals. Very hard to mount a comeback from this position. And very heavy exclusion there. I think Hurricanes are losing their head a little bit. Cronulla Sharks in this 3-3 formation. Not a great pass, almost a good steal there. And there's a turnover, player inside 2 metres. We've got to break up that far side. And great save there by the Cronulla keeper. He came out to that and he really got to it. There's been a couple of shots that the Cronulla keeper has really saved his team in. That or Hurricanes just haven't been taking their chances as the ball goes into centre forward. And another great save by the Cronulla Sharks keeper, just as I was talking him up. Hunter Hurricanes really need to execute, or have really needed to execute in those situations to be a chance in this game. Hurricanes with the counter-attack. Ball over the top. Heaps of time here. Just has to finish, and he does so. So Cronulla Sharks 10 goals, Hunter Hurricanes 8 goals. 15 seconds remain. So Cronulla just playing the clock down. Ball gets put in the centre forward, but that doesn't matter. It's the end of the game. Cronulla Sharks blue 10 goals, Hunter Hurricanes 8 goals. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure you found the other 5 videos that have come before this. Hunter Hurricanes, they finished 6th in the state after this tournament. Really good effort by the boys. I'd like to thank you all for watching. There'll be some more videos of the under-14s and the under-18s boys coming soon. Thank you very much.